Hello, I'm Rick Spencer of the Spencer Law Firm. I'm a fourth generation lawyer. My father, grandfather, great grandfather were all lawyers. So I have a long tradition of being involved in the legal field. I am here in Mountain Home, Arkansas, but I am also licensed to practice law in not only Arkansas, but Missouri, as well as the United States Supreme Court. I'm a lead attorney, but we do have 7 legal assistants who have been trained, who will be working to help you in whatever case you have. We do have a lot of areas of law that we engage in, including Social Security, obviously personal injury, wrongful death, workers' compensation, living trust, wills, disability, estate planning. So if you have any questions about any of these things, feel free to call. The first appointment is absolutely free. There's no charge for that. So call us at the Spencer Law Firm at 870-425-6984, or you can call toll-free 888-425-6984. Have a blessed day.